Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Varo Bank, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Varo Bank app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create your account by following the on-screen instructions. Enter your personal information, including your email, phone number, and social security number. Verify your identity by uploading required documents, such as your ID. Once your account is set up, log into the app using your credentials. Navigate to the budgeting section, usually found in the main menu. Select the option to create a new budget. Begin by entering your total monthly income. Add your fixed expenses, like rent or utilities, by selecting the corresponding categories. Next, input your variable expenses, such as groceries and entertainment. Review the suggested budget allocations provided by the app. Adjust the values as needed to better fit your financial goals. Use the pie chart or visual tools to see a breakdown of your expenses. Set savings goals by indicating how much you wish to save each month. Incorporate any debt payments into your budget, if applicable. Review the overall budget summary to ensure everything aligns with your financial plan. Save your budget and set reminders for regular reviews. Keep track of your spending through the app's transaction monitoring feature. Make adjustments to your budget as necessary when your income or expenses change. Utilize Varo's insights and notifications to stay informed about your spending habits. Over time, consistently check your progress toward your savings goals. Adjust your budget monthly based on your actual spending and upcoming financial needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.